Hi everyone, my name is Arnel. I'm from the Philippines. I'm a father, I'm a husband, and a professional working for a better future of my family. I came across the campaign in social media of Reportage. It caught my attention because it was not about the products or promotion of the company, but it was about the real human experience, which I'm going to tell you. It's all about my son. When he was born, there's a lot of things happening between me and my wife. So I just want to share how the struggle is, how we survive on it, and how we manage to move on despite all of the hindrances, the struggles that we have. The meaning is simple. The most valuable things in life are not things at all. If my son read this one of this day, I hope he understands. He's a gold to me. He's a treasure. He is what I considered a gold to me. Every person has a different story on their life. So for me, it's about on how I share my own story and also to inspire people. Being as a father, I have my story on what happened, what really happened during that time when my son was born. I own my own story. I found out that this Reportage is one of the leading developer in UAE, wherein they're building communities to have a better future for all those family who wanted to get a properties in UAE. It's an honor actually. Reportage celebrates authentic human experiences, and being able to share my journey through this platform makes me feel seen, valued, connected, and community that appreciate what truly matters in life is. Thank you so much, Reportage, for reminding people that every story matters like mine. Winning this competition is actually special to me, but the greatest reward that you have given to me is having this opportunity for me to share a story about love, my family, and what I believe is the real gold in my life.